So this is where we stayed last night. When we got here last night, there was a couple of motorhomes here. But what I will say, if you do come and visit this castle, come early, cause it is busy now, isn't it?
Like
it's busy. It's like 11:15 nearly, and you know it's so busy, but well worth it. If you've not seen last week's video, check it out because it is worth a visit. Right, we're just gonna get Thor sorted. He's had a drink and everything, and then we're gonna get on the road. And where we're going next, Brooke?
The Caravans?
Yeah, we're gonna be sort of like going in that way. Yeah.
Caravans?
They know what you mean. So yeah, we're gonna go and do that, and then because we're doing a well camp tonight, so it's gonna get on the road, do some exploring. Right, we've got the map out because where are we now, Brooke?
Currently here.
And we're doing a route where we're going.
Well, my plan was to go this way and go around the coast, but the weather's going to change over the weekend, so I thought if we go and do the Caravans while the weather's nice, it's not too bad if the weather's not as good on the coast, so we're going to go this way instead.
Right, so a view, because Brooke's been planning this for quite a while.
So we're going to go here.
Okay.
You're have done it.
So one of the things that we was going to do next is the next place that we're going to, we was going to look for like a wild camping spot. But you know what, guys? You can actually, for one night only, stay here. So we're going to stay here for the night, aren't we? So we're going to go for a walk. And the good thing is, where we've parked, there's that big thing there, we can do some cooking and that. So is this a visitor centre?
Yeah.
Let's have a quick nosy in here. So the reason that we've come to here is because there's a waterfall here that we wanted to see.
Yeah.
But you know, now that we're staying late overnight, it's really good because you know there's no rush, is there? You know, we don't want to like. Well, what Thor's saying is a rush. He just wants to walk and go exploring. So, right, let's go. So we've got to the waterfall now because it's like so hot at the moment and there's not much water. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and have a quick look over there. I mean, there's a little bit of like a waterfall over there, so
Can't really call that a waterfall.
yeah, well, it's still a waterfall, but
Don't break your neck. Oh, have you seen it?
right, let's do it. Come on, let's go, let's do it. Do it. Shall we do it? Come on. Let's go. What I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to go up there. I want to see what's up there, so it's a bit steep. So what is it we're we're doing next. Guys,
Burn
I don't know what we're doing.
Do you feel like you've walked 1.3 miles? No.
No, right, so where we're going next?
To the burner vat.
And what's that?
You'll see when you get there.
Hey, I just want to take a quick minute just to have a quick chat with you guys. Now, we live in a society where we're encouraged, if we feel like any anxiety, you know, any depressive thoughts, anything like that, we're encouraged to speak to people about this. But you know what? Not everybody has somebody to speak to, and not everybody wants to speak to someone that they know. Also, it's not easily available for, like, you know, if you want to speak to people, there's not always going to be people around. Now, we've done videos where, you know, we've spoke about our personal feelings about some things, and you know what, a lot of you guys reached out to us and you was telling us about like issues and things that you guys have been going through. Now that brings us on to today's sponsor, and we're proud to be sponsored by BetterHelp. BetterHelp is an online network of specialist therapists that you can get access to. You can do this by phone, video messages or live messages. You can do this in the privacy of your own home. BetterHelp has access to over 20,000 different therapists that range from all different things that you want to talk about. Finding specialist therapists that you want to speak to might not be available in your area, but the good thing about BetterHelp, it's a worldwide system where you can get access online to any therapist that you need to speak to. To find a therapist that you can reach out to, it's as simple as going online, and all you do is you fill in an online form and that will match you to a therapist that you can speak to. You get matched with a therapist then in under 48 hours. And what you do then is you arrange a time slot, and then you can speak to your online therapist for the first time. Then what you do is you arrange with your therapist that you're speaking to about having unlimited meetings. You can chat to them, and like I said, you can do it in the privacy of your own home, and you don't have to go on camera. You can do it by text, you can do it by video call. It's such a fantastic thing, and you know what guys, we really do recommend that if you do need to speak to somebody, BetterHelp is a really good way that you can reach out and speak to someone about issues that you might be going through. When you speak to your therapist, it is done in confidentiality. None of your information is shared with anyone under any circumstances. If connecting with BetterHelp is something that you want to do, you can get a 10% discount if you have a look at the first link in the description. And you know what guys, when you guys reach out to us, this is why I said before, we're so proud to be sponsored by BetterHelp, because we can tell you guys, if you need to speak to somebody further, BetterHelp is a way to do it. Right, let's get back to the video. So I just said, let's give Thor a drink, and then Brooke was in the bag. She said, oh, you know, we've left the bowl, but we haven't, because we've got the potable one with us.
Thanks to Conrad.
Oh, do you know what? Gotta say it as it is, Brooke. Round here, it's amazing. What you got there, Brooke?
Iron brew.
No, come on, you can say it better than that. What? Let's try again. Your best Scottish voice. What have you got there?
Iron brew.
Enjoy your walk, Brooke.
Yeah. What?
How fantastic was that? Camper van here, and I do believe this is one of our subscribers. Just been having a really good chat with Jason, and what we're going to do now is we're going to have a quick nosy at his van. Another crafter just parked here as well. That's one of the already converted ones. Right, so just like MTV Cribs, this is Jason's self-built camper van. So, right, so you built this yourself, did you say before?
Yep, I built this all out of just wood that you get from the local hardware store,
Right.
and then covered it in your 4-way stretch carpet.
And obviously you've worked it out to get some storage underneath. And
Yeah, so it's just what we've got under here is the van's used mostly as a family vehicle during the week, and
Right.
we wanted it. It's kind of a hybrid between a day van and
Right.
a camper. So we built the storage with a slide-out table.
cool's that?
We've got enough storage in here for all our sort of camping needs for family. We've got our blow-up kayak there,
Right.
and all our cooking and whatnot. Here we've got all our tools and our hookups and stuff like here. Inside here we've got a shelf here where I've got my kite, I've got my gas barbecue, for sort of when we're not on hookup. When we are on hookup, we use the induction stove.
Right.
So it works really well for us. We're just back from the North Coast 500, so haven't really tied it up too much.
We were just talking about his van. He said, let's go and have a look at it and everything. He said, yeah, because you know we like filming other vans because it gives other people ideas. He said you've just had your pop top fitted.
Yeah, so we've just had a Gerber Campers pop top fitted. As you can see, it's got the metal frame with beach slats, a bit like the old California used to have. Super comfortable. So we've just been away to north coast of Scotland.
Didn't realise he's got the combi seats in as well. And you were just saying that you've designed your bed so that they fold down and it's level with that. Is that right?
So the height of this bed matches the height of the seats folded down exactly. At the moment, we're missing the single seat because this is where our cool box usually goes.
Yeah,
and I've built a little platform, so that's the same height as well.
Right, it's a little bit later in the evening now, and like I said before, this is where we're staying for the night. I mean, just look at the view up there, and yes, got the cooker out, and what we have in Brooke?
Dubventures stew.
That's what we're making. Do you know what? It was really nice to meet the subscribers that, you know, just in the video, having a look at the van and everything. You know, they said they was going to be here for like a few minutes, say hi and stuff. And how long were we talking to them for?
A few hours.
Yeah, a good few hours. But I've got some tips for them. Don't forget your cutlery when you go on your next camping trip. So, right, let's get some cooking done. Had food and now we're taking Thor for a walk. How's your food, Brooke? You know that I always ask that question when I make the dubventures stew and other food.
Lovely, but I just feel like it could have been better. You know, with a giant Yorkie pud. But why did it not have a giant Yorkie pud?
Well, I was going to put it in a Yorkshire pud, but I think it would have been a bit too much because we put rice in this one, but I don't know. So guys, if you don't know already, we've organised a Dubventures camp out for September. Woo! So
it's our very first overnight.
I know, and you know, Brooke's just been having a chat with like loads of people on social media and stuff, like people that have like booked it, and you know what, we're so excited to see you guys there. So thank you everyone to booking on, and you know, we're really looking forward to it. And if you didn't know about it, you know, there might be some spaces left, so we'll put a link in the description to the campsite where we're having it, you know, and check it out where we're going. So yeah, we can't wait for that, can we? You know what, if you're at a stage where you're kind of like thinking about, you know, getting into van life or doing any type of travel, or, you know, like even getting a tent and, you know, just traveling, like going, putting that up somewhere and being out and about like this, I encourage you guys, do it. Just
do it.
Do it. It's
because
just,
you have one life and you need to live it.
Exactly. We're just gonna chill out for a bit now. Well, chill out for the rest of the night. That's our view out there, and I think we're gonna watch a film, aren't we? And just relax, and then tomorrow, I know he's fast asleep, and he's up there just relaxing. Oh, it's just done so much today. Now it's just time to relax and chill. So, see you guys in the morning.
Morning, guys. So Tom can't find his phone, so we're going to give it a ring and see if we can find where it is.
Yeah, we already know where it is because we've already rung it, but...
So let's see if you can tell. Can you hear it?
We can hear it. I've made the bed and I put the duvet away and my phone's in the mattress. So...
What an idiot.
We're going to have to... I don't want to take it all out to find it, but It is in here somewhere. Oh, there we go, there we go. Right.
What can I say?
Morning everyone. Well, we had a really peaceful night's sleep. It was such a good thing being able to well camp there overnight. And as you've just seen, I couldn't find my phone, and as I was tidying up, I put my phone away. But at least we found it. Right, what we're going to be doing today is we're going visiting a mysterious location if we can actually find it. But you're going to have to wait till next week's video to find that. What we're going to do now, we're just going to take Thor for a quick walk around here. You'll have to wait till next week's video. So guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Until the next one, bye for now.